So Huawei's CEO was trying to tease the new foldable tablet phone. Please use in quotation marks as much as humanly possible. And this is the foldable tablet phone on the screen, which is a flip phone. And I am so utterly confused by this. So if you haven't seen the most recent drops or information leaks of this phone, this is scheduled to go live on the 20th, a couple days from now, where we'll see a new Pura series, formerly known as P series, which there will also be a foldable, which should be 3:2 or 16:10 aspect ratio. The phone revealed by the CEO in the video and the social media. The executive was filmed using the device, which is hyped up to be a game changer in the foldable phone realm. So the whole idea is this is going to, theoretically speaking, be like an iPad mini. We expect it to be similar to an iPad mini when unfolded, but with a 6.28 display and a 3.48 cover display. Yeah, that looks like a flip phone to me. That does not look like an iPad mini. Maybe I'm crazy. That doesn't really look like a flip phone. But hey, I mean, it doesn't look like a flip phone. It doesn't look like an iPad mini. But hey, maybe I'm wrong, right? Maybe we'll find out more information as time goes on to the 20th. But I mean, am I like, hold up. No, that might be, no, like, yeah, this angle, you can literally see both sides. Unless it's just like a perception type of aspect where like it looks smaller because of perception based, but it's actually a bigger inside display. Obviously, we had the rumored specs of it, but I'll be interested to see what this looks like. So this is coming out from Huawei, so this is actually a big player in the game. Which should give us a pretty decent device. So I'm hoping that this device hits it out of the park and we get some pretty good updates, moving forward from this device. Because again, it just pushes the industry forward in general, which is always the goal. Get this industry pushed forward as much as possible. And a foldable foldable iPad mini type device has been something we have talked about for so freaking long. Just because that has always been like the main, staple of you want to be able to kind of replace that where it can fold, put in your pocket, and be ready to go at any time. Obviously, we have literally right now, we have foldable phones like the Google Pixel Fold. We have the Z Fold series, OnePlus series, which is very similar to that. But I think the iPad mini, I want to say it's a 10-inch. No, I think it's the same. Actually, I think it's like 8-inch. I think it's the same size as a Pixel Fold. So we'll see what Huawei is cooking up.